Identifying, understanding, and preventing the cycle of crime were just some of the common topics of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce's Crime Summit. The National Security Minister says it will require years of work to reverse Jamaica's crime problem. But what about those who cannot be saved? Jamila Maitland has the details.
They're referred to as the irredeemables, youngsters between the ages of 16 to 28 who've marred themselves in a life of crime and cannot be swayed otherwise. Director of Operations at Guardsman Group, Lieutenant Commander George Overton, says they're products of Jamaica's crime problem.
When a young man who is barely educated has been put in a position to have a disposable income of over $500,000–600,000 a month from his illegal activities, what do you offer him as an alternative?
But National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang believes if given the correct opportunities, it is possible that they can become law-abiding citizens.
I find it hard to write any Jamaican irredeemable. I think Jamaica is some of the most creative people. We accept that. Some of the most talented people. But when it comes to the community, we tend to overlook that and condemn some.
Montego Bay St. James has, over the years, developed a reputation of being the epicenter of lottery scamming. Dr. Chang says the proceeds are used to finance illegal gang activities. He says it's not normal, but can the level of violence seen be reversed?
Anybody who believes that there is a silver bullet that's going to fix this overnight, I warn you, you are a perfect candidate for the scammers.
While the men may differ on the approach to addressing some of the country's at-risk youth, they agree that mentorship, family support, and access to education should lead the list. And like the victims who get scammed, it will require a lot of resources from both the government and private sector. However, this time, the country should see a return on the investment.
Jamaica, we have to do better. Me island, me treasure. No the war, no, we been fighting forever.
I'm confident if we get the full support of the community, the engagement of the business leaders, the engagement of the professionals, and all those who are here who wish to see a different environment, we can convert it.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.